and since then she has been rendering her selfless service till date. She teaches English and Maths in junior section. She takes teaching as a vocation and dedicates herself to education of children. She takes interest in each child, tries to understand the background of students by meeting and talking to the parents. She loves teaching small children. She has a lot of patience to gently deal with small kids. She makes her class very lively and makes the subjects simple and easy. Children are also very fond of her. She has the knack of making small children enjoy learning the subject she teaches. Now that she has decided to call it a day, she is going to leave an indelible mark in the lives of so many students. It is a moment of sorrow, but it is also a turning point in her life as she is going to join another school close to her native land. We wish that lily has to bloom wherever planted. I, on behalf of Dinobili School CTPS and on my own behalf, wholeheartedly thank you, Miss Lily. May I request Miss Sheila Robert. Thank you, Miss Lily. Thank you, Miss Sheila.
And now, I will try to speak a few words about Mary Gutierrez. Mary Gutierrez joined Dinobili family in August 1986. She served with this institution for 35 long years, out of which she spent 16 years in Dinobili Chandrapura with us. I have a mixed feeling, no doubt, that she is going to leave us, but I am very happy that she is going to join her husband Sunny Sir in Bengaluru. She has two lovely children, Shelley and Jairus. Both of them are successful in their respective fields. No wonder she is a great mom and a great teacher. She is a dedicated teacher and is very much loved by her students because of her nice behavior, discipline, and a cordial relation with them. She taught children to be on time and follow etiquettes. She loved to talk to tiny tots and taught them effective ways of learning, made them confident, and made even the weaker ones to perform on the stage. Miss, we will never forget how nicely you prepared the children to perform nativity on the occasion of Christmas. She is truly passionate about her job. She enjoyed every moment with the students. We have always seen her in happy mood, whether with the students or with us. In the school hours, we have always seen her collecting piles of books and copies with patience. At times, we have found her cracking jokes and talking about some mouth-watering recipes. And I suppose everybody knows about her expertise in baking different types of cakes. She is a very positive person and finds a silver lining in every cloud. Miss, it is really difficult for us to bid you farewell, but change is a law of nature. We have to come to terms to this fact. Lastly, on behalf of each one over here, I sincerely wish you lots of happiness and good health in years to come. Miss, you will be in our fond memories. Hope you inspire more and more students over there. Thank you.
A warm good morning to all of you.
Principal Sir Sebastian Guru, Vice Principal Reverend Father Vijay Kachar, and Reverend Sister Clementina, and my dear friends. First of all, I want to thank the school management for giving me the chance to work in this great institution. After spending 24 years here, it is time for me to say goodbye to everything which I have been associating myself with. Chandrapura has been almost like my native place, having so many wonderful people as you around me. So I can proudly say that you are like a family to me. I am leaving this place to take up a job closer to my hometown in Bangalore, so that I can take care of my parents, their lands and a small business. I have fond memories and feelings when I remember my previous principals, vice principals, teachers and my supporting staff. With them, I had a very special relationship with them. I remember them with gratitude and love. I also thank our beloved principal, Sir Thomas Kennedy, Sir Sebastian Guru, for all the support and care that I have been receiving from them. I also remember my students, past and present, from whom I got a lot of respect and love. I have many beautiful memories and valuable lessons from my stay here that I will always remember. Before I conclude, I request you your prayers and blessings. Thank you all for your constant care and support. Thank you. Love you all.
Clementina and my dear colleagues, good morning. Today we have gathered here to bid adieu to three of our dearest colleagues. As you all know, and I will be speaking about Mrs. Lily George. She joined here in the lovely school Chandrapura way back in the year 1997 and had given almost 24 wonderful years to this institution. She is known for her dedication, hard work and great involvement with her students. She is known for her dedication, hard work and also her innovative and visionary ideas have borne fruitful results. Her discipline is well reflected in her students. Miss Lily is a very efficient teacher and her contribution to the school is commendable. Her compassion and personal touch had always created a positive impact on her students. I am fortunate enough to work with her and I really appreciate her multi-talent personality. One of the many things I have learned from her is to never give up in any situation. She is very friendly and helpful person with immense potential to accomplish the impossible. Meeting and parting are the part and parcel, so we have to accept it as and when it comes. Goodbyes are difficult, but to grow, learn and explore new opportunities, one needs to switch places. You will be deeply missed, Miss Lily, but we have the memories to cherish. A void is being created by your leaving the institution. On behalf of everyone over here, I wish you a successful future. Thank you.
program, the devotional program, and the Madhava. Teachers here, Jesuits were celebrating Ganesha year, 500 years of the Ganesha year, because from now onwards, in 1491, the Ganesha was transformed in a good man, became saint. So we take each event in his life and reflect about it and pray for it. Our present Ronisha is very cautious of making us DJs. All Jesuits should be DJs, not disc jockeys, but digital Jesuits. I'm trying for the slower ones.